Hey everyone, it's Tammy with Southern Angels Boutique. I just have a real quick video. I got kind of like a late birthday, early Christmas present today. I had been wanting this, I'd wanted this actually for my birthday, and my husband never did get it for me, so my daughter went and ordered it for my husband, for him, and then he's going to actually pay her back, she said. So but they went ahead and got it for me today, and went ahead and gave it to me, and it came in the mail, and got this stuff today for me. So I got this off of Amazon. So I wanted to share this with you guys. Yeah, I'd been wanting this. The Tim Holtz stamp, losing my rings here. The Tim Holtz stamp platform, and I'd already opened the little scissors, these new little scissors. I'd already used them tonight because I had a little project to do, that coloring challenge that I'm doing on Instagram. I wanted to cut out my little image, and actually, hang on just a minute. Okay, I meant to bring the image in here. My desk is such a mess with stuff, so I just wanted to show you just how precise you can get. Look at that. These scissors are so great. I never could do that with those other scissors I've got. These are just the best little scissors. I mean, the point, these are so sharp. You can just see. Let me get down there so you can see. Just look at that. They're very sharp. You can see how pointy they are at the end. So they're great. And then of course they've got that soft grip, just like the big ones. Very pointy. And you can, I mean, I got in there around those little wings. See how detailed those wings are? I got in all that little detail. And of course I think I missed a little spot right there, but I could go back in there and get that and clean all that up with these scissors. I think I missed that because I couldn't see real well, but now I got the camera on it to where it's like magnified. I can see it, but I couldn't see that. But yeah, these are the best little scissors I've ever had. So she had grabbed those because I had those on my wish list. And then of course I needed some of this because I use that StazOn ink at times, but I haven't been able to clean my stamps. And I clean it with just, you know, a rag and water, or my homemade cleaner, you know. But that doesn't clean the StazOn. So yeah, I know you have to have the StazOn cleaner, the solvent cleaner, to get that clean. So I had this on my list, and I was telling them, I said, I gotta have this if I use StazOn. So they got that for me. And of course, like I said, I've been wanting this this platform. So I'll get it out and show you guys if I can do this with one hand here. Let's see if I can get it out with one hand. Let me pause for a minute. So here's what it looks like, and I'm sure most of y'all have seen these before, because I'm kind of late to the ball game here on this. But this is how it looks when you open it up. And of course it was in another box and everything. I'd already taken it out of all the packaging and everything, but this is how it looks when you get it out of all that. And you know, this, you open it up. This. I've already used it once. I wanted to show her how to use it. So it's got a little ink here, and then you need to clean that off. But I'm sure y'all know how to use them, where you put your paper here with your magnets. And if y'all want to see how this works, just leave me a comment down below. I'll do a demo on it. But I know most of y'all probably already know how this works. But if you'd like for me to demo this, just comment down below. I will do a demo. But this is just the neatest tool right here. This is going to save me a lot of headaches right here with my stamping, because I've just got such a light touch with my hands. I'm not very heavy-handed at all. So I'm just so thankful that they finally got this for me. So she'd also gotten the sleeve for it, the cover, but she got the bigger stamp platform, and the cover was for the travel size. So I told her, I said, well, get in touch with them, tell them that you got the wrong, a different size, so it won't fit. So tell them you need to return that, and so that you can get your money back, or you know, just have them exchange that for, so that you can get something different off my wish list then. So, and I'm sorry about that glare, but yeah, see that ink right there, when you get something on it, it's no big deal, it'll wipe off. He said all you got to do is wipe it off. It'll probably come off with some water, or you can just use some what do you say, hand sanitizer. That's how you clean this whole thing. So, and if it stays on ink, you just use a little of your stays on cleaner. So, but you don't need to use any kind of chemicals. You just either use water or hand sanitizer. So, and this is just wonderful, the way this thing is made and everything. And you have your clear side, and then to flip it over for your, it just pops right out like this, and then pops back in, and then you have your rubber. So I think that is just the neatest thing. So I'm just so excited. I've been wanting one of these ever since the first time I saw it. So I am just so excited now that I've got this. Really am. So anyway, I just wanted to share that real quick and let y'all see that I finally got this, and I'm so excited. And I got me some Stays-On cleaner and a little bitty scissors now that work just wonderful, as you can see. So yeah, I just wanted to share that with y'all and wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving, and eat lots of turkey. And that is if y'all celebrate Thanksgiving. I know in some countries y'all don't probably celebrate Thanksgiving. I know, let's see, yeah, there are some countries that don't celebrate Thanksgiving tomorrow, so, but I know here in the U.S. we celebrate Thanksgiving. So those that celebrate Thanksgiving, happy Thanksgiving to you, and to all, have a blessed day, and I'll see y'all soon. And like I said, if you want to see a demo on this, just comment down below and I'll do that. And if you have any other questions, just leave me a comment below and I'll get back with you. And so please share. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. If you are a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And give me a thumbs up for this video if you like it. Or, you know, if you don't like it, give me a thumbs up. So, if you liked anything about it, just give me a thumbs up. So, thank you for watching, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.